Nasty. Nasty. Ugh, really nasty. I have my usual selection of sanding and grinding materials and cleaning materials. Ooh, what's this? Hello YouTubes, we have just 4 days to the first cruise night of the season, and as you can see, Bugsy's looking a wee bit post-winter sad. Needs a wee bit of rust removal. Now remember, I will be painting the car, or at least starting the painting process later in the year, but for now we need to give him one final grind down, clear coat, and as you probably saw, I got a new tool. Bill at Solar Garage has sent me this very nice random orbital sander. He must get tired of looking at Bugsy all rusty as well. Pretty good kits from the Amazon wish list that I've got. Comes with a sander obviously. A selection of hook and loop sanding pads, different numbers, grades, coarseness, little spanner, and of course it comes with an alternative airline adapter, which is nice because that's the one I need, that's not the one I need. So thank you very much, Bill. Click up there to check out Bill's channel, please. He supports me immensely every month. He sends me tools. It's really cool, and he's working on a very cool sleeper ram for racing. So I may not be using this today because most of Bugsy is round where the rusty bits are, but I will be using this in the future, most definitely. Okay, what are we doing today? I want to take care of everywhere that's brown, so I will remove the front bumper to get access to the lower sections there, and we'll just generally go right round the car and see what we have to do. But that's the most important because that's where it's been getting all the action. Right, bumper off first. Now, I know I've got lots of lovely power tools, but I'm going to start off old school with some wet and dry paper and some water. See what I can do. Especially because this is a curved section. It should just be surface rust anyway. And I think I've taken quite enough metal off of this car. Oh, I can't wait to get rid of all these rattles. Better, but it's obviously quite badly pitted in there. I'm never really going to get rid of that until I cover it with paint, to be honest. Right, let me proceed. Well, I think that looks marginally better than that. Next up is the grill, and I'll be using everyone's favourite skin shredder, the wire wheel. This is quite a skinny one to get in between the grill bar things. Make sure you use one of these, right? This wire wheel really is awesome, but it will try and injure you at the slightest chance, okay? Unless you're a big fan of acupuncture, make sure you wear a mask. Probably cover your arms as well. I do have some tiny little holes. Okay, that came out nice. Obviously, I still got the other fender to do and the rest of the car. So let me fire on with as much as I can before we start cleaning it all off and then painting. And by painting, I mean clear coat, just in case you were getting excited. There we go then. I went ahead and did this entire fender, got a bit carried away, but I think it looks pretty good. There was a little strip along the back that I took care of. You can see a stripe there, but I'm going to attack the whole thing with paint thinner just to blend in the original clear coat so that it doesn't look stripy. So I'll go ahead and clean it all off. I haven't sanded down the entire car, obviously, because that would just be insane. And then we'll get the clear coat on, and that'll be it, ready for the show. Two coats of clear and looking good. Well, better. Tell you what, that's the last time I'm doing that. Next time I put paint near that, it's going to have pigment in it. Anyway, we're all set for the first cruise of the year, next Tuesday. Now, it's also the Mustang cruise night as well as just the general hot rod cruise night, so I'll make sure to park Bugsy quite far away from them. Just kidding. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're back on it. The weather's finally here. T-shirt weather. Special thanks again to Bill at Solar Garage. Please make the effort, check out his channel, give him a subscribe and a like and a share and all that stuff. And also, I got a new Patreon subscriber, member, patron, whatever, Jarvis. Thank you very much, Jarvis, very much appreciated. If anyone else wants to jump in that whole give me money bandwagon, like in the description. I really appreciate it. Anyway, take care everyone. I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.